Lobster rolls are a no-brainer. Take fresh, delicious lobster meat, smother it in melted butter or mayonnaise, sometimes with chives or Tabasco or onion, slap it on a soft, sweet roll, and you have sandwich perfection. Though they're so hot right now around the globe, lobster rolls have long been a staple in the US state of Maine, where you'll find the world's finest. You haven't eaten a Vietnamese pork roll until you've eaten one in the town of Hoi An. This is the country's spiritual home of porky goodness, and a stay in Hoi An will spoil your banh mi eating for life. Nothing will ever compare. It's the bread, crusty on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. It's the fillings, the pickled green papaya, the herbs, the mix of pork cuts, the homemade farmhouse pate. And it's the secret chili sauce. It is, all things considered, probably the world's best sandwich. While French cuisine is often associated with such gastronomic wonders as the croissant and steak frites, the Gallic contribution to the sandwich world is just as impressive, the croque madame. Fresh bread is soaked in bechamel sauce, topped with Gruyere cheese and leg ham, before being toasted and topped with a fried egg. Diet food it ain't. But it is delicious. You don't have to do anything too flashy to achieve perfection. Case in point, the English bacon butty, which at its most basic is just good bread filled with bacon and maybe a little HP sauce. Many have tried to put their own creative spin on the humble bacon butty, but there's little that needs to be done to this sandwich other than devour it. It might not be the dish that immediately springs to mind when you think of India, but this Mumbai specialty, a spiced, fried potato patty smothered in chutney, topped with a fresh chili and wedged into a small bun, is seriously tasty, and the perfect street food snack. Yes, it's just carbs stuffed into more carbs, but if that's wrong, who wants to be right? The Japanese have an impressive knack for taking other countries' cuisines and making them their own. French pastries in Japan are incredibly good, their adaptation of curry is excellent. And so it goes with the sandwich. The Japanese Katsu sando, essentially just a chicken, beef, or pork schnitzel on white bread, is simple, beautifully presented, and loved across the country. It's a toss-up for Portugal's best sandwich. Is it the prego, the simple steak sanger, or the francesinha, the absolute monstrosity of ham, sausage, and melted cheese covered in tomato and beer gravy? Or maybe it's the bifana, a pork roll served with mustard or a spicy, garlicky sauce? I'm going to opt for the bifana for its pure, simple deliciousness, and the fact you can still walk after finishing one. Surely the greatest contribution to the world of food, the hamburger, has been bastardized the world over by people attempting to improve upon it, but there's still nothing better than a simple, greasy burger patty topped with cheese, maybe a few pickles, ketchup and mustard, and sandwiched in a soft roll. The name Choripan is a portmanteau of this sandwich's main ingredients, sausage and bread, and it really is as simple as that. You just need good quality chorizo, grilled over hot coals, added to a crusty roll with chimichurri or maybe some mustard, and a football game to sit in front of while you eat it. This is Levantine food at its finest, a mix of grilled meat, lamb or chicken or beef, tabbouleh, fatamesh, tomato and pickled veg, doused in sauce and wrapped in bread. Shawarmas vary across Lebanon, Jordan, Israel, and the Palestinian territories, but they're always cheap and delicious.
Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.